has left out.
Yes, sir.
We had discussed the first question. With three triangles, we cannot have a polyhedron. With four triangles, it becomes a tetrahedron. With a square as a base and four triangles, we can have a square based pyramid. So these two were possible. Now coming to the second question. Is it possible to have a polyhedron with any given number of faces? Think of a pyramid. Is it possible? We have seen in the first question that with three triangles it is not possible.
Four triangles and
With four triangles
a
it
square
is
and
possible.
four. Yes.
Yes, sir. It is possible, sir.
So it is
The square and
possible with
triangle.
minimum four triangles.
Yes, sir. Four triangles and a square.
So let me mention this as possible with four or more
Four triangles.
triangles.
Four triangles.
Because yesterday I had shown you tetrahedron and octahedron also. In octahedron there were 8 triangles. Question 3. Which are prisms among the following? They have given a nail, unsharpened pencil, a table weight which is pyramid in shape, and a box which is cube in shape. Out of these, which
Pencil
one
and
are
box.
prism? Pencil and the box. Clearly,
Yes,
this
sir.
pyramid, it is not a prism. This particular
Yes, sir.
shape is a cone, so it is not a
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
prism.
One,
These
sir. It
two
is.
are prisms. What is this
Yes,
prism?
sir.
The name of this prism is.
Cylinder.
You can look at the base here. It is having
Pentagon prism.
six
Pentagon it is,
spaces,
sir.
no? You can count
Yes,
one,
sir. Pentagon.
Hexagonal
two,
prism.
three, four,
So,
five, six.
pentagons are
Six
there, sir,
are
and four.
six are there or
Uh,
five are there?
uh,
Hexagonal base.
Six, sir.
Six are there. So
yes,
this
sir.
one is a hexagonal based
Hexagon. Yes, sir.
prism. This particular prism is also called as a
Cube,
cube,
sir.
or you can say
Cube,
that
sir.
it is a square based prism.
Yes, sir.
Next question is little interesting. How are prisms and cylinders alike? How are pyramids and cone alike? Alike means same.
Sir, there are no vertices in cylinder, whereas in prism there are many vertices.
Yes, sir. In prism,
If
there
you
are
see the
vertices,
number of
and in
sides in the prism,
cylinder there is no vertices, sir.
In prisms and cylinders, opposite sides are equals. Opposite
Yes, sir.
faces, sir.
see, I am not asking the difference. We are not supposed to say the difference. In what way they are alike, in what way they are same. That is what the question is.
Yes, sir. In both prisms and the cylinders, opposite faces are equal, sir.
In cylinder, only we can think of opposite bases, no? They are congruent faces. Yes.
Yes, sir. In
In what
prisms
other
also,
aspects they are alike? Hmm. Let me give an example of a triangle. It's a smallest polygon. If I increase one side, it becomes a quadrilateral.
Yes, sir. A
If I
square
increase
or
one more side, it becomes a pentagon. Now, on the
yes,
similar lines, if I
hexagon.
keep increasing the number of
Yes,
sides,
yes, sir.
at the end, what is the result? If the number of sides are increased, what would be the result? You just think. Here, a pentagon is over. Next will be a hexagon. Next will be
Hexagon,
a heptagon. Next one will is a octagon. Likewise,
hexagon,
increase the number of sides.
nonagon,
N gone,
pentagon.
sir.
You can see the shape here. it is getting
Yes, sir.
enlarged when
Yes, sir.
the
It is
number of side becomes
larger.
infinite, when the number of
Yes, sir.
side
Infinite.
becomes very large, it will attain a circle. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Same
sir.
way, consider a
Yes, sir.
prism. Keep increasing the sides. If the number of sides of the prism or base, number of sides of base are increased, it will attain a cylinder. It will become a cylinder, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If the base, the sides of base increased, it will take the shape of cylinder. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
For example, one more triangle if I consider and join like this, it becomes a triangular based prism. It becomes a square based prism if one more triangle and joining that, pentagonal based. Likewise, when the number of sides becomes infinity, we get a cylinder. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you think of this answer? How pyramids and cones are alike? If you increase the base, the sides of the base of pyramid,
Yes, sir. If we keep an infinity number of sides, sir, it may be form a
it
circle,
becomes
sir.
a cone, no? Base
Yes, sir.
becomes a
Yes,
Cone
sir.
circle
with
and the
two faces
solid
of it
becomes a
as well.
cone.
One has only
Yes,
two
sir.
faces.
So the answer is more similar to the previous answer. Sides of the base increased, it will take the shape of a cone. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question 5 now. Is square prism same as cube? Explain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. They are same.
Explain it.
Yes, sir. That
Their faces are same, sir.
yes, a square prism
Its
same
base
as
and
a
faces are same,
cube,
sir.
sir.
You are saying
It
that
means the sides
it
are
is
equal.
same. Looking at this figure, you are
Sides
probably
are
saying
equal,
that.
sir, because
Correct, no? Looking at
yes,
this
sir.
figure, you are
Sides
saying
are
that
equal.
a square-based prism will become a cube. Now I will give a different figure. A square base, one more base somewhere here. Join them. What is this figure here?
Cuboids.
Cuboid, sir.
Cuboid.
Cuboids.
A
Yes,
cuboid
sir.
can have a square base, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It can be.
So what is your answer now? Answer for this fifth question.
It cannot.
Sir,
It,
cuboid is also a cube, sir.
Cuboid is not a cube. Cuboid can
yes,
have
sir. It
a
is
square base.
different.
A
So it is
square based
different.
prism can be cuboid. So what is your answer now? Answer is changed or it remains same? The question is
Change it.
a square prism same as cube?
Sir,
It is
it
same.
may be a cube, sir, sometimes, and it may
Sometimes,
not.
no,
Yes, sir. It
sometimes. It's
may be
not
a cube,
always.
sir. Sometimes.
These two are not same. It's very clear. A
Yes, sir.
square-based
They
prism
are different from
may not be
each
same as
other,
a
sir. It
cube.
is a cube. It is a void.
So the
So
answer
yes.
is it may not be cube always. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
They have given a figure here. We need to use Euler's formula and verify it. For that, we would require the number of faces, vertices, and the edges. First figure, if you observe, how many faces are there? First
Three,
figure,
sir.
how many faces are? Three, only three. You can see here 1, 2, 3. Here only it is there. Fourth one, downside, fifth one, this side, sixth one, this
Seventh.
side, seventh one. There is a face here, no? These two faces are there. So totally, if you observe, there will be
Ten,
a
sir.
7 face. How many?
How,
How, sir?
how it is? Yes.
How can I show you this, sir? This face you have understood. There is a face here.
Yes, sir. Understood.
This you have understood. There is a face here.
Yes, sir.
This you have understood.
Two.
How
Three.
about this
Yes, sir.
side, sir? There should be another
Four, sir.
face, no? There should be another
Yes.
face, no? This top one and bottom one. So totally sideways
Yes.
5 are there. Top and bottom 1 plus 1. 7 are there.
Yes.
How many edges are there? Number of edges. Sideways there are 5
10, sir.
edges. 10, no? Edges. Let me wipe this off.
12, sir.
Now you can
12 are there, sir. Yes, yes. 12.
only 12.
12. 12.
1,
Yes, sir. 12.
2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5. In the bottom also 5 will be there. And sideways 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth one.
So
That
15.
side. 15 are
15.
there. Yes, sir. 15 will be there. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
15
sir.
edges are there. How many vertices are there? Vertices means this
Sir, 10.
points, corners.
10.
Yes,
5.
sir. Absolutely
So
correct. 10
this 5
vertices.
and downside 5. 10.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. We need to verify this formula f plus v minus e. We have to get it as 2. What is f? It's 7. V is 10 minus 15. We are getting
Yes,
2.
sir. 2.
So
17 minus 15.
Euler's formula is verified in the first figure. Let's take the second figure. In the second figure, what are the number of faces? There are triangular faces as well as square
8 faces,
face
sir.
and rectangular face. Sideways there are rectangular. There are 4 faces which are rectangular. At the top there are 4 triangles. 8. Bottom there is
Answer 1 base 9.
9 are there or 10 are there?
Nines.
How many
9,
will
sir.
say that 10 are there?
3 faces of triangle
10.
and 6 faces of cube.
Actually, in this figure, you should not consider this particular
Yes, sir.
face. This in
Yes,
this
sir.
figure you
Only
should
3
not consider.
faces.
So totally
3.
9 are there.
Yes, sir. 1, 2,
On the
3.
top there are 4 triangles. Sideways there are 4 rectangles. Bottom there is a square. How many edges are there?
Sir,
Downside
edges
4. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
10, sir.
11,
10, sir.
12,
12 edges.
13, 14, 15, 16 are there, sir.
16,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. 16.
Akka. 16, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is 16.
Yes, sir. 16.
Edges are there. Now we need to find number of vertices. How many vertices are
9.
there?
So 9.
9. If you count
Yes.
bottom, there are 4.
Bottom
In
4
the
and
middle,
upper
there
4.
are 4. At the top, there is 1. So totally 9 are
1.
there. Now if I use the formula f plus v minus e, or do I get
9 plus 9
9
is
plus
16.
9 is
Yes, sir.
18?
2.
18 minus 16 is 2.
18
Minus
minus 16 is equal
So
to 2.
in both
Yes,
the
sir.
cases, Euler's formula is verified. Question 7. Using IS formula, find the unknown. They are asking to find the faces in the first one, vertices in the second, and the number of edges in the third. Use the formula which is f plus v minus e equal to 2. Here we need to find f. So f will be equal to 2 plus e minus v. How much? Pawan said it is 8. Is it 8? 2 plus how many?
Yes, sir.
How many edges are there?
12. Sir,
12 are
12.
there, no? Minus how many vertices are there? 6.
6.
So 14 minus 6 is 8.
14 minus 6 is 8.
Correct, sir. Tell me the second answer. How many vertices are there? Is it so difficult?
8, sir.
8?
Sir, sir. 6.
Yes, sir. 8.
Yes.
Are you sure it is 8?
No, sir. 11. Sorry.
Sir, 6, sir.
6.
Yes, sir. 6. 6.
8, 6.
Sir,
There are
6.
so many answers now.
6, sir.
Let me tell
6 are the
actual
vertices.
number of vertices here are 6.
Yes, sir.
The reason
14
is
minus
f plus v
6 plus 5 is 11.
minus e. 5 plus
Yes.
v
Equal to 2.
minus 9 equal to 2. This 5 minus 9 is how much?
Yes, sir.
Minus 4. So v will be equal to 2 plus 4, which is 6.
Yes,
How
sir.
about the third one? How many edges are there?
10. 30,
10, sir.
Very good. 10 are there.
10 are there, sir.
Huh?
30, sir.
Very
No,
it's
sir,
not
20.
it's not 10. Somebody says it is 20. It's not 20 also. Somebody said it is 30. Yes, it is 30. Why it is 30? Let us see. F plus V, 20 plus 12 minus E equal to 2.
E is equal to 2. Yes, sir. 2.
What will be sum of this? 32
32.
minus
Yes,
32,
E
sir.
equal to 2.
Minus
Transpose
2.
this positive 2 and negative E. We get 32 minus 2
Sir.
is equal to E, which is 30.
Yes, sir. 30 is yes, sir. Edges.
30 was a correct answer. It's not 10, it's 30.
Base plus vertices minus edge.
Correct? Huh? Now there is a question, bit tricky one. We need to check whether there can be a polyhedron or not. If 10 faces are there, 20 edges are there, and 15 vertices are there. The easiest way is if this particular uh,
Sir, we can
given
find
is,
by formula, sir.
yes sir, we
Yep.
can use the formula and we can check if it satisfies. If it satisfies this formula, it can become a polyhedron.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you
Two.
consider the number
Yeah,
of
it
faces
is not a
10
polyhedron, sir.
plus
Sir, plus
number of
sir,
vertices
15, 15, sir.
15,
15, sir. Minus 20.
15 minus 20 is 5.
20.
15 minus 20, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
we are
15
getting
minus
20
20 is
minus
5,
20.
no? Which is not
5.
equal.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
5 is sir. No, sir.
So it will
Not equal
not
to
become, it will not be a
polyhedron having 10 faces,
polyhedron.
20 edges, and 15 vertices.
Okay, sir.
It will be not be a
Any doubt
polyhedron.
from this? Is there
No,
any
sir.
doubt? Now all the exercise questions of textbooks are complete. Now let us take up exemplar. In the exemplar, question 1 to question 21 are MCQ type. In that,
Yes, sir.
question 1 is which among the following is not a polyhedron? We have
C, sir. Option number.
So option
it's
C.
a polyhedron. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
C.
Only
C, sir. Option
option
number.
C is not a
C.
polyhedron. Why it
Not
is
a
not a
polyhedron, sir.
polyhedron?
Sir, because it has a
It does not
curve
have
line.
any vertices.
Curve line it has a curve
It is having a
faces.
curve, it is not having face, no?
Yes, sir.
Since it is having a circular base, we cannot have lateral
Polyhedron.
surfaces, lateral faces. So option C is not a polyhedron. Question 2. Which
Yes.
of the following will not form a polyhedron? 3 triangles, 2 triangles, and a parallelogram. 8 triangles, 1 pentagon, and 5 triangles.
3 triangles will not
Three
form a polyhedron.
triangles.
Sir,
Sir.
3 triangles.
triangles, sir. 3
3
triangles.
triangles will not form a polyhedron. This one. Can this
Yes,
become a
sir.
polyhedron?
Yes, sir. It can become, sir, 2 triangles and 3 parallelograms.
Parallelogram. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
How does it look like? Parallelogram.
So it look like polyhedrons. Polyhedron.
Sir, its basis will be triangles. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Something like this.
2. Yes, sir. 2 triangles and
When we observe this, the
It's
face.
3
prism.
are there, sir.
Yeah, it's a prism. More or less, it's like a rectangle, no?
Parallelograms.
3 rectangles. But
3
rectangles
parallelograms
is
are there.
also a parallelogram. So this option is possible. 8
Yes, sir. It
triangles.
is
What is
possible.
it called as? It is called as a octahedron.
Yes, sir. Octagon. Yes, sir. Octagon.
Octahedron, not octagon. Octahedron.
Yes.
1 pentagon and 5 triangles.
Sir,
One
rectangle.
pentagon. What is it?
Diagonal
It's a pyramid.
pyramid. Pyramids.
Yeah,
Pyramid, sir.
it forms a pyramid.
Diagonal pyramid.
It's a pentagonal based pyramid. Actually, I have to draw it little slant so that it becomes a
Octahedron
3D
pyramid.
shape. Yes, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Question 3. Which of the
Which of
following
the
is a
following is
regular polyhedron? Regular means all the faces should be
cube, sir?
congruent.
Cube, sir.
Cube, sir.
Cube.
Cube, sir.
Sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
very
Option
good.
number C, sir. Cube.
Option C
Cube is
is
the
a correct
right answer.
answer.
Two
Which of the
dimension.
following is two-dimensional figure?
Sir, rectangular. Yes, sir.
Rectangles.
Rectangle, sir.
Rectangles.
Then breadth.
Yes, rectangle.
Yes, sir.
These are all solids. These 3 are solids. Pyramid, prism,
Yes,
they
sir.
are solids.
Rectangle, sir. Answer. Option number
Which of
A.
the following can be the base of a pyramid?
Octagon.
Octagons.
Octagons.
A
Octagon, sir.
pyramid
Option number
cannot
C.
have a line
Octagon.
segment alone, no? This is not
Yes,
possible.
sir.
It
Circle
cannot
also
have
you
a
can't have.
circle. It cannot have a
Correct, sir.
oval.
Correct.
Only
Correct.
option is
Octagon
octagon.
is possible.
Which of the following 3D shapes doesn't have a vertex?
Sphere.
Yes, sir.
Sphere, sir.
Option D.
Wow, correct.
Sphere, sir. Sphere. Option
Sphere
number
is the only
D.
figure which is
Sphere.
not having any vertices.
What is this?
Question 7.
Not having vertices.
Solid having only one line segments as its edge is a solid having only line segments as its edge.
Cone, sir. Cone. BF.
No, yeah. Cone will not be
Polyhedron,
line
sir.
segment as edge.
Polyhedron, sir.
Polyhedron is the correct answer. Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
Polyhedron. For a cone, it will not be line segment. We will not consider it as a line segment because there is a circular base. And for cylinder also, it's a circular base.
Cylinder also.
This
Sir,
particular
those
thing,
both there will be not only lines.
it's not a solid figure. It's
Polygon, sir.
not
Polygon.
a solid. Not a solid.
It is 2D.
Yeah, it is 2D.
2 dimensions.
These three are 3D. In this
Two
only we have to
dimensions.
think. Right. Question 8.
Yes,
In
sir.
a solid, if V is equal to F is equal to 5, the number of edges.
8.
8, sir. C.
8,
8,
sir.
sir.
8, sir. 8.
So if
Eight.
you use the formula, how do we solve this?
10
F
minus 8 is equal to
F
2, sir.
plus
minus
V
E is equal to 2, sir.
minus E
F
is
plus
equal to
V
2.
minus E is equal to 2.
So E should be transposed this side, 2 should be transposed this side. So 10 minus 2 will become equal to E. So 8 will be equal to E. The number of edges are 8. Which of the following is the top view of the given shape? The shape is there.
A, sir.
Option
A
Yes,
option.
sir.
Sir, option number A, sir.
Option A.
Option number A,
So
sir.
option
Correct.
Option number
Because you
A.
can see the top view, there is one shape here and two blanks are there from the top. So option A is correct answer. Question 10. The net shown below can be folded into the shape of a cube. The face marked with the letter L is opposite to the face marked with the
M.
which letter?
M, sir.
M.
M, sir.
It is folded
M, sir.
O at the center, right?
Folded
Yeah.
M.
M, sir. Option A.
M only, sir.
Q will
You
become
will go
on
to
the top.
top, sir. Yes, sir.
With respect to L,
You will come
there will be
top.
M. M.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
M. Yes. M only, sir. Answer, sir. Option number A, sir.
Is it that suppose if I fold along with L, then what happens?
No, sir. It is rule that
Sir,
Sir,
still
they will
M will
become
come on the top.
opposite, sir.
M will come.
Sir, they will become opposite. M and
Same.
L, sir.
Now my question
M and
is,
L.
if
Sir, you will
if
go
it
to
is
the
folded here, if
top.
this is kept constant and this is folded like this, these three shapes are
Yes, sir. Still M will come on the
folded.
top and L will come at the bottom.
L will be at the bottom, O will be adjacent to it, M will be on the top. So M is the
Yes, sir.
answer?
Yes.
Yes,
Correct
sir.
Yes.
answers. Yeah.
Okay. Question 11. Which of the nets given below will generate a cone?
Sir, yes, sir. Option number A.
Very good. Option A.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, because
Why not the other?
it is having a curve,
Sir,
sir. Curve
they don't.
line side.
ये क्या हो जाएगा?
All the
This is
options.
pyramid, no? This is pyramid.
Yes, sir.
This is
Triangle.
triangle. If you fold this, it becomes a cylinder. So generation
Yes,
of
sir.
cone is usually done by the sector. If this is the sector, you get a proper cone.
Option.
If uh,
Yes.
this is a sector, still we get a cone. If this part is considered, no, still we get a smaller cone. All right, question 12. Which of the following is not a prism?
B.
So option A.
B, sir.
Option A or option B? Option A is a prism, no? It's a
Yes, sir.
cuboid. Cuboid is a
Yes, sir.
prism.
Prism, sir, it is. Prism, sir, it is.
Faces are equal, sir. Opposite faces are equal.
Yes, only in this second
Sir,
case,
option number.
it is not a prism.
Yes. Option number B is correct.
In class 10th, there is a concept. You know the cone, isn't it? cone will be
Yes, sir.
having a circular base, and this will be the shape of cone. Suppose if this cone is cut off from here, what shape we get? It becomes
Triangle.
two bases which are
Triangle,
circular.
sir.
It is not exactly a triangle. This is the shape we get. This shape you must have come across. It's like a bed lamp thing, and if you make it reverse, it becomes a tumbler shape.
Yes, sir.
Bounce.
Tumbler shape, sir.
This shape is given with a name. This is the name given. Frustum.
Frustum, sir.
Frustum is
Frustum.
having a cone shape, but
When we'll cut.
a cone is cut off from the
We'll obtain
middle,
a
and two bases are
frustum.
formed. The bases are circular. For this frustum, you will find surface area and also volume in class 10th. Remember this shape. Why I
Yes, sir.
told this now? The reason is, if I continue these lines now, what shape we get?
Cones.
No,
Pyramids.
it forms a
Her-
pyramid.
Pyramid.
So this is a frustum of a pyramid. This is frustum of a cone.
Cone.
Okay, this is frustum
Frustum
of
of
a
a cone.
pyramid.
Yes. Pyramid.
Okay, not to worry, this will not be asked in the exam. Question 13. We have four
We have
congruent equilateral triangles. What do we need more to have a pyramid? Go through the options here. An equilateral triangle, a square with same side of length as triangle, two triangles with side length same as triangle, two squares with side length same as triangle.
Option B.
So option B, a square with
Why
side
do
length of
you
a.
feel that option B should be the correct answer? Why do you feel that?
Sir, option number B, sir. Sir, because base, it needs base.
Square based
Yes, sir. Because in the pyramid, always the third letter is. So there should be a base.
What means there should be squares?
Yes, sir. In a pyramid, always a quad letter is present, sir. Always it will be.
Can this be the answer? Equilateral triangle. On that, if you are thinking of equilateral triangles, one triangle will be
And
left out.
another
Okay.
equilateral triangle
All
can be
triangles
added.
are not used, no? If you are taking one
Yes,
of
sir.
the
All
equilateral
triangles
triangle
are
as a
not used
base.
in a
So if
pyramid,
you
sir.
take a square as the base, then there could be four equilateral triangles that forms a pyramid. So option B
A pyramid.
suits here.
Yes, sir.
Question
Option
number
number B is
14,
right
we need to calculate certain thing here. Side of a square garden is 30 meter. If the scale used to draw this picture in the ratio 1 centimeter is to 5 meter, the perimeter of the square in the picture is
So 20. So 20 centimeter.
20 centimeter. How, sir? What is the perimeter of the square garden if the
24.
side they have given?
30 meters, sir. Perimeter.
Perimeter will be 4 times of the side, no?
24
sir.
centimeters. Option B.
If this is a side,
B.
perimeter of the garden,
The perimeter will be 120 centimeter
120
divided by 5.
meter, yeah.
Yes, sir. Meter, sir. It is
Yeah,
Yes,
120 meters, sir. Divided by
divided by
5, sir.
6.
We need to divide this 120 by 5 because they have given
24
that ratio
centimeters, sir.
as 1 centimeter is to 5 meter. If you
24
divide, it
centimeters.
becomes 24. And it has to
Meter.
be in terms of centimeter. The reason is they have given here 1 centimeter is to 5 meter. It forms like this proportional to 24 centimeter is to 120 meter. It is something like this. No, 120 meter. This is 5 meter. This is with respect to the garden. This is with respect to the picture. Proportion concept we are using. You just think of this answer. I feel 24 centimeter is the correct answer.
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes, sir.
Because
Particular
when
option.
we make the ratio, no, this 1 by 24, it should be equal to 5 by 1. You can check it. 5
120.
ones are 5, 2, 4,
24.
24 times. So 1 by 24.
24 jump.
So it's related to proportion. Question 15.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following shapes has a vertex?
C.
There are no
Sir,
vertices in the figure A, figure B, and figure D. There is vertex
Option
in
number
the
B, sir. Cylinder.
option C or
C.
B, sir. Cone.
and we actually don't consider this as a vertex. It is given a name, apex.
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 Question 16. In the given map, the distance between the places is shown using the scale 1 centimeter is to 0.5 kilometer. Then the actual distance in kilometer between school and bookshop is where is school located? It's here. Shop is here. 2.2 centimeter they have given. So what you must do is this 2.2 must be multiplied with 0.5. 2.2 into 0.5 you have to do.
1.1, sir. Answer.
1.1.
1.1
1.1, sir. 1.1 kilometers, sir.
Why did I multiply the 0.5? Why did I
Sir,
multiply
because they have given, sir, there. Scale is equal to 1
They have given
centimeter.
scale 1
Equal to
centimeter is
scale
considered as 0.5.
0.5 kilometer.
Okay.
So we should
Question
multiply with
17.
0.5.
Which of the following cannot be true for a polyhedron? They have given some options
Option
here.
D, sir.
Which one doesn't satisfy that we have to see?
Option D, sir.
Sir.
Option D, sir. D,
Option
sir.
D. Option D. Sir, option number
If you
D,
look, if
sir.
you look
Option number
at
D.
option A, 4 plus 4
4.
minus 6
8
is
minus
2.
6 is 2, sir. Yes,
If
sir.
you
Big,
look at option B, 6 plus
option B.
8
14
minus
minus 12.
12
Yes,
is
sir.
2.
Yes, sir. 14 minus
20
12.
plus
Sub is equal to 2 minus 12 is 2.
Second and third answer
32
is
minus
last.
30.
Option
32
D
minus
doesn't
30
satisfy.
is equal to 2, sir. What here? 10
See,
minus 6
option A, B, C, they satisfy except option D.
difference is 2, sir, in all options.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now the time is exactly 9:30. We shall
Yes, sir.
continue the remaining 3 questions. Along with that, I said we'll do the revision in the next period. Revision of
Third
algebraic
period.
expression followed by factorization I will do, so that
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
there
sir.
won't be
So,
any doubt. I have done the chapter algebraic expression along with factorization. So I would like to complete both the things. All right.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In
We
the
shall meet again
third period.
third period.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you.
Again, yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.